Hi everybody, welcome to Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm showing you how to make instant kimchi. You don't know how to make it? It's something so simple, only 4 ingredients, even a child can do this. So try this recipe out. So what I have here is some Daikon, which I cut up. You can cut it any size you want and put it in any bottle, whatever you want. And all you do is you fill it to about 3/4 of the way. And then you put, in this case, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, and 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, the Korean type. You can put more if you like. And that's it. So now all you do is you cap it and you give it a quick shake. And you shake it for about 5 minutes or so, and it looks colorless now, kind of bland, but this is good exercise. Do it with your exercise. Just shake it all up. And you will see that the chili pepper is distributed with the salt and the garlic. And in about half hour, this salt will kind of release the water from the daikon, and it'll turn it a bright red. So after you shake it, all you do is you leave it on the counter at room temperature for 3 days. That's right, 3 days, no refrigeration yet. And now when it will shrink till about half the amount, and you'll see a lot of liquid coming out. In 3 days, you'll see that it is bright red and colored, and it'll be ready to eat. And that's it. Thank you.